sauce. Add some sugar. This one you need a lot of sugar to get it caramelized. So normally I add 2 teaspoons, 1 big tablespoon. This one is a caramelized sugar. You can make your own by just putting sugar into water. I'm gonna turn this on. Here's the secret to making a good caramelized fish. It's cocoa water. If you don't have this, you can also add regular coconut water. So I'm going to cook this until it shimmers and boils, and then I'll turn the fire down, and just let it cook. You can also add some chicken powder. I normally use this for most of my cooking, but this is not needed if you don't want to. Hi guys! So I'm gonna cut in some onion for my caramelized fish. It's getting pretty big out here, so I just need a few. See, now when it boils, I normally turn down the heat and let it shimmer. And you want to make sure you don't turn the fish, because if you turn, it's going to break. That's why I have a lot of the water right here going on. You can turn it later when it gets more cooked. If you do want to turn the fish, I would use a spatula or something like this and do it slowly on the side. But normally I don't have to do this. And normally I cook in a pot, not a pan. Up a little bit. I'm going to put in some onions. And you can put this in earlier, you can put it in later, but I guess I'll just put it in right now. Little taste test. Make sure it's not too sweet, not too salty. In between, it's just right. Tastes good. Now just wait. Okay, it looks like it's almost done, so I'm gonna put some of my other green onion leaves in. And looks like we're all done. I just cut some more red pepper and put some black pepper on. I like it spicy. And you can eat this with white rice, brown rice, add some veggie on the side, and you have yourself a Vietnamese authentic caramelized fish dish. Enjoy. And look what I got here. I got some chayote, some kale, and some more that's growing. I got some figs that's already ripe, so I'm gonna go ahead and pick those. Oh, I need some hands here. Molly, Molly, down, Molly. Oof, look at this fig. If I don't pick them in time, the birds will usually get to them. There's some more in there, but I'm probably gonna wait for later because I have no hands right now. I got some nectarine right here growing, but this year, same as other years, started getting these white fungus or powder on it. Let me show you my grapevine. It's starting to grow a lot of grapes. Orange tree. Look at this, some more grapes.